Welcome back to Crypto Lodge. You should join the Telegram group. It's at t.me/the Crypto Lodge. I'll put that in the chat. t.me/the Crypto Lodge. How y'all doing tonight? I was seeing the charts a couple hours ago. It was looking red. But that was then. Crypto moves fast. Tunes up a little on the day. T-share still killing it on the minute. Yes, sir. T-share still killing it. Up 22% today. Uniswap was down a lot more than it is now. So it has made a comeback. And what was down a lot? It was Jasmy. Let's go to Coinbase. What's up, John Doe? My thoughts on Ethereum. John Doe said, what's your thoughts on Ethereum, bro? I think ETH 2.0 is coming really soon. And I think Ethereum's going to be a $20,000, $40,000, $50,000 coin in the future. ETH 2.0 will be in full effect no later than May 2022. Probably sooner. People are moving away to Fantom, BSC, Solana, and Ethereum's not going to let it go. Check it out. Ethereum's market cap is 466 billion. The next one down is 75 billion. So Ethereum has about 400 billion, $375 billion over the next one in line, which is BNB. So Ethereum's now about half the size of Bitcoin. It wasn't half the size of Bitcoin last year. So there's going to be a flippening, I think. I think Ethereum's going to take over Bitcoin, and I think that's what most institutional buyers want. I think that's what most of the institutions want. Ethereum. Shiba up 67%. That's ridiculous. It's still pumping while everything else dumps. What is this in the hour? Down 5 in the hour, but that's crazy that Shiba's up 67%. It's up 1,000%, 10x. It's up 10x in a month. You could have bought it right here, October 23rd. Let's pull up the chart. Oh, it makes me sick to my stomach, but let's pull up the chart. I mean, I love Shiba Fantom .finance. That's one of my gems. It's SUSHISWAP, except it's faster and cheaper. That's all. And the price has been doing really good. Check this out. Shiba. Yeah, it's been going up. It's at one of them dips right now. On its way up. Look at those long candles down. So it's up almost 3% today, down 10% in an hour. That's that red. That's that red candle there, 10%. And that's just the way these go. Next it's going to pop up. It's going to pop up 20, 30, 40% in the next hour. I'm loving it. I'm loving these small cap gems. John Doe said, yeah, I think the same. Got a nice little bag, but wondering about the alts. It's so tempting to move some over. LOL. It is. But the thing you got to remember about the alts, a lot of the times I structure my portfolio mostly ETH. I usually always had Cardano, Luna, Atom, you know, the bigger caps and mid caps. And then I put in like Fantom. Fantom's a good example. I was buying Fantom at 8 cents, 12 cents, 23 cents. And it started off at the bottom of my portfolio because I only put a little bit in, maybe 5%, 2% of my portfolio in Fantom. But then it actually went up to the top. It became one of my top holders. So that's how that works out. And you always want to keep 50% in UST, the stable coin. You can stake it over on anchorprotocol.com for 20% APY. And you want to hold that UST in case the market takes a huge black swan dump. Then you can use that stable coin to buy the dip. You don't want to be all in because then you can't buy the dip. What alts have you been thinking about? By the way, when I look over to the right, I got the chat on another screen over here. Shiba's just, it's good. It's a pump and dump. Always is. Let's see. Look at ComRocket. It's up 8%. It's because of this sideways Bitcoin movement. And I bet dominance is going down. I haven't looked today. I'm just guessing. Yeah, it's going up on the day a little. Yeah, it was going down. Flat Bitcoin, flat dominance. Alt season. Bitcoin just made a new all-time high. Now it's trading sideways. Alt season. And you can see the alts moving. Not all of them, though. John Doe said, I like Fantom. Got Shiba Inu, Akita, Elon. Been in game for a while. A few years, but playing it safe, LOL. I don't know if Shiba, Akita, and Elon are playing it safe. Death is doing great. I got into Death early. Did I just change my fucking... This better not fuck up my my whole thing here. It better not fuck up my whole thing here. Hold on. Oh, good. I'm back. Yeah. Death is doing great. Let me show you. I got into Death early. All the Fantom developers are in Death. It's up 16% today, but it's down 13% in the hour. So it was up 20-30% today. It's up 700% in the month. And I mean, it does these crazy moves. But it's young and volatile. And there's that sales tax that gives us they burn the shit out of it. 60% of the tokens burned. I don't know. Did you watch my video on that? I did make like a 5-minute video on death. John Doe said those meme coins 10x though, so it's going pretty well, bro, at the moment. It's true. Yeah, it is going pretty well. My biggest is T-share. My biggest gainer is T-share. This can't be the right chart. Did T-share just... No. No, that's Geist. It still says Geist there. So we go to Geist, T-share. There we go. Yeah, I got in T-share early. It is up. Jeez. 835% in 12 days. $1,200% in a month. From the bottom, who knows? Let's go to the daily. There's been no red for days. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 straight days of green. When else do you see that on a chart? And that is a modest 800% in 15 days. So yeah, things are going pretty good. What else? Baby, it's a Phantom Dog. And Phantom Shiba. Shiba's doing good. Phantom Dog. There it is, RIP. That's Phantom Dog. And I love it. And it's up 60% today. 306% in the week. 1,000% in a month. I don't even know if it's been around a month. It's the initial pump. This September 1st when it started. It's been around a little bit. Got a little dip going on today. But actually it's up 60%. On the day, it's pretty great. Here's the gains. Shit, from the bottom there to current price. That's 916% in 22 days. So yeah, things have been going great, man. Look at that, just jump back up. Yeah, fire. Shit is fire. Any swap is what I think. I mean, despite it's always the sneaky ones, man. Despite the chart. Despite this chart, I mean, actually, that chart looks pretty good. That looks pretty nice. I mean, we had that initial. I mean, they just February 3rd, 2021 is when they launched. And it's had that initial pump, came back down. It was at May. Yep, that's when Bitcoin fell down in May. And it's been coming back up so good. And people keep on, you know, the price charts on the daily don't really show how much it's pumping. And you'll go up a lot in 2 days and then go down for a little bit and do nothing. So like this 3-day period here, it went up 100% in 2 days. And then kind of did this whole sideways thing. So people are weary of it, but Uniswap is one of the highest TVLs, total value locked, in DeFi. It's got the best bridge. It supports the most blockchains. Uniswap speaks for itself. You can bridge. Let's say you got Fantom sitting in your Ethereum wallet, or you got the BSC version of Fantom sitting on your smart chain wallet in MetaMask. Use the bridge right here, or the router. I want to take my Fantom from my Fantom mainnet and move it over to the Ethereum mainnet. Bada bing, bada boom. Uniswap does that. I talk about this a lot. Uniswap, this is gonna blow your mind. If you haven't heard me talk about this yet, this is gonna blow your mind. Check out DeFiLlama.com. Always check out DeFiLlama.com. It lets you know what the hottest gems are. Unlike DeFiPulse.com, DeFi Pulse is shit because it only brings up Ethereum projects. DeFi Llama brings up all of them. See now, this is AAVE's the top. Then it's Curve and MakerDAO. InstaDApp. Number 10, 11, 12, and 13. This is where I'm focusing. SUSHISWAP, PANCAKESWAP, Uniswap, and Uniswap. Uniswap is number 13 in total value locked, right behind Uniswap. Uniswap supports Ethereum, one network. Uniswap supports 12 different networks. Fantom, BSC, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Moonriver, OKX, KuCoin Community Chain, Harmony One, you name it. XDAI. So, it's number 13 in total value locked, right behind Uniswap and SUSHISWAP. What's the market cap of Uniswap? $17. It's number 17. And the market cap is 12 billion. What about Sushi? It's not as high. It's not as high. That's number 72 in market cap. Not 12 billion, but 2 billion in market cap. Now what's Uniswap? The most interoperable chain. Ranked number 271 in market cap. It's not even a quarter billion. It's got so much room to grow. Uniswap's got to get up to at least the top 50. And the price is going to be hundreds of dollars. I have to use the restroom. I'll be right back. Hey, stick around, John. I'll be right back. You still there, John? Let me ask you something if you're still there. Were you already a subscriber? Or did you see this live stream on your feed? Your YouTube suggestions? Let's see what's got a high market cap here. Okay, you were a subscriber. So people are telling me that they don't see a notification when I go live, even though they have the notification bell on. Did you get a notification when I went live? Oh, I guess not. You're not sure how you saw it. Just wondering. Here's a cool way to look for small cap gems. Market's been down 5% all day long. But you go to all assets and then you just click change. A good way to find big dips on high market cap coins too. Buying the dip always works. Look for something with a big dip. Is that gonna just go zeros now? No, look for something with a big dip that has, I don't know, at least 20 million, 30 million market cap. That's hard to find. Time coin protocol sounds dumb. Looking for that M. 8 million on fill up. 1 million. There's 44 million. Cream's down 33%. Cream Finance is a gem. Look at this. I can't believe it's down 33%. Let's go over to Cat. Cream Finances. A phantom coin. Cash rules everything around me. Woo, look at that dip. Gotta buy that. That is the dip of all dips if you want to buy anything. Look at that uptrend. And then the dip. Wow. That's going to get eaten right up. It's going to go right back up. It's not going to last long. Shade Tree, you got a notification that I was live after I already been live for 7 minutes? Oh. Well, cool. Notifications are working. Dude, Shade Tree, look at this. Look at this cream dip. Look at the cream dip. How much is that? Just to get back up to where we were. That's a 56% gain. That is a nice dip on cream. Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. Dollar bills, y'all. Let me put this in perspective. Let me take it off the. That's on the daily. Let me put it on the 30 minutes here. Look at that. Woo! Normal dump. Down 35% on the day. It's back up 2% in the hour. That's gonna fly. People are gonna buy this dip. I wish it was any swap that did it. But you know what? Cream came out. It's basically an AAVE fork on Fantom. But Scream came out. And that's what I own. I bought Scream. I didn't buy Cream. I bought Scream. Let's see what Scream's doing. Cream's down 23% in the month. Scream's up 30% in a month. But it is also down in the week and day too. But I think Scream is better than Cream. Just my 2 cents. If you look at Scream Finance, it's just cooler. It fits the theme better. Parked on the bun. The fuck is that? And it's super low cap. Scream is super low cap. Let's look at the GitHub. See if it's like updated 2 hours ago. Where is it? Didn't he even have a site yet? The fuck? Still just working on it? Updated yesterday. Cool. Scream is a highly scalable decentralized lending protocol. Scream.sh. There it is. Error. Ray ID. You get a different Ray ID every time. Cloudflare bullshit. Phantom Metaverse. Scream's gonna do some shit. Yeah. So the Scream price doing better than the Cream price. That cream's gonna come right back up. Cream's gonna rise right to the cream's gonna rise to the top. Make no mistake about it. They just down more? Oh boy. Let me find out. This thing goes down to the levels that I only dream of. You put it on the weekly. That's a beautiful level to buy at. Oh my god. You realize the all-time high on this is it's $400. And it's sitting at 197. Yeah, this is a buy for Cream. This is a buy if I've ever seen one. This is a buy. Go and grab it on SUSHISWAP. Or, yeah, SUSHISWAP. Oh, so that's not Phantom. That's why I like Scream better. And that's why Scream's doing better. Because Cream, I don't know if you see my cursor on the screen, but Cream, that's SUSHISWAP, that's Phantom. What's Dreamer platform token? And what's it doing? Nothing. What's Cream Pie? And what's it doing? It's up 76% in a month. It's doing something right now. It's probably such a tiny cap that this is probably a 100% move. Oh shit, that's a 229% move in 28 days. I forgot I was on the 7-day. Cream Pie's moving. It's probably like a... Wow. Cream Pie's probably like a jizz cum coin. You know what I mean? Let's get out of that one. Let's find something on DeFi Llama to look at. So you see why I'm bullish on any swap. And think about this. SUSHISWAP was created a couple years ago. AnySwap was created this year. So SUSHISWAP had a couple of years to integrate all these networks. Which, congratulations, it should be... SUSHISWAP should be a higher market cap than Uniswap. But Uniswap was the first. Because Uniswap just has little old Ethereum. Come on now. Uniswap, get with the Avalanche and the Moon River and the Harmony One and the Arbitrum and the Optimism and the Phantom and the Polygon and the Hecko and Palm, whatever that is. Never even looked into Palm. Abracadabra, Spell. What's Spell up to today? Because I own some of that. Spell. I wanted to buy Magic Internet Money, but guess what? It's a stable coin. Holy shit, look what Spell says it's up in a month. That's not even true or real. Is every little move with this a whole lot? No. I swear to God, Keck.tools is wrong when it comes to these sometimes. I mean, let's go to the 7-day. It doesn't even have that long of a time frame. Yeah, it doesn't even have that long of a time frame. So that's not even, that's billion. There's 800,000, 800 million, 46 billion% in a month. So if you put $1 in a month ago, you got $46 billion. It's wrong. It's probably the wrong Spell token. That looks more like the real Spell token. Yeah. But let's go get the real Spell token. All you gotta do is put it into CoinGecko. This little dot right here where it says contract. Click that. Grab the Phantom. Hit copy. Come on over to here. Wow, Spell's also on Arbitrum. That's awesome. And put that in. And there it is. That's the real one. That's the one that says 46,000. I own that shit. That's not right. That's incorrect. I like Hogue Finance too. Let's see what Phantom's doing. That wick got eaten right up. It's funny how not far away 350 looks, but how far away 350 feels. We were just there, 350. Phantom, we were sure it's going to $5, and here we sit at 317. Because Bitcoin pulled, Bitcoin pulled back. It caused this. But it got ate up right away. This whole wick got ate right up. And we're going to continue higher. Phantom's got the strangest weekly chart I've ever seen. Really? One red week here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 weeks. Only one small red one, which actually probably was a shakeout because it took the price from $1.92 to a lost exactly $1, went down 50% in 2 weeks. So people got shook out They sold. Longs got liquidated. And then they started. It's a dump and pump. Dump and pump. And yeah. I was talking about Fantom down here at 8 cents. 19 cents. And now we're talking about $10 in the cards by February. I prefer the the day. Day might be the best. Yeah, that's our trajectory. It's nice. What do you guys want to look at? You got any gems I never heard of? What's making big moves here? A 7-day change. Maker Dow. Holy shit. Maker's up 15,000% in TBL in 7 days. Mint Club is making waves. Mr. Beast is using Mint Club. Am I offline? Anyone still listening to me? 2 people, 3 likes. Spell token. That's a nice dip to buy. You guys remember Spell, Abracadabra, just up and up and up. Just keeps going up. Look at today. I watched BitBoy Crypto Morning TA this morning. And they showed a Head and Shoulders, which looked right like a Head and Shoulders. But when I pull up with the charts, I don't see it. They showed a Head and Shoulders on the weekly and on the day. Let me pull it up right now and I'll show you that I don't see it. I just don't see it. BTC. Let's see. Get the longest one. I don't think it's OKX. Maybe Hobie. We'll go to the weekly. We need enough data. That's enough data. No, I gotta go back to 2013. That's only back to 2017. Which exchange had Bitcoin the longest? Kraken? In 2011, I'm looking for yeah, 2011. Okay, Kraken. Really? Kraken's gotta... Tell me it goes back all the way. I see the word, I just don't see the word. Kraken. Oh my god. Kraken's not even on this list. I don't see it. Bitcoin all-time history index. There we go. Back to 2011. Perfect. Let me remove this. Remove this and hide this for now. That shows the entire history of Bitcoin. When in doubt, zoom out. This is when it hit 20,000 the first time and people went crazy. And then it spent $1,085 days before it passed 20,000 ever again. And to people that were new, everybody was new to crypto at this point. It was a really, really, really long time. You see this little thing here? Little thing there? Let's zoom in on that. Because that wasn't a little thing. That took Bitcoin from little old $2.06 all the way up to $1,235. So let's do this math here. From $143 per Bitcoin to $1,246 per Bitcoin in 49 days, a little over a month. And that is a 770% gain. You see that little guy right there? Looks like nothing. Let's zoom in on it. Because that took Bitcoin from an unbelievable 77 cents all the way up to a whopping $32. And that was a 4,000% gain in a little over a month, or a little less than 2 months. So those itty bitty things on the charts, I promise you, those itty bitty things on the charts are going to be these. These are going to be the itty bitty things on the charts. They're going to look just like that. While something like this happens. That's what it's going to look like. Because that's what it always looks like. And we're going to be up somewhere near over $500,000, $600,000. And today's 50K is going to look small. 60K is going to look small. We're going to 10x for Bitcoin. And Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin, which means we're going to see even more gains. I mean, even this is not that much gain for Bitcoin because it's so huge now. That is at the peak, a 10x. A 10x in almost a year. Which is optimistic too. So altcoins are where it's at. Ethereum's going to be much, much better than that. A 10x is coming way quicker than a year. You guys still here? Let's get rid of that shit. Let's look at Ethereum. The only thing about Ethereum, actually, since we got this nice old chart, let's go ahead and reset and turn on the logarithmic regression. See, it takes every peak it ever had. Boom. 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 We didn't get there. It's not the end of the cycle. We're looking at over $100,000 for this cycle. We're in the middle. And I do not see a head and shoulders. Not on log and not on auto. I do not see a head and shoulders. Logarithmic is much better on the eyes though, and it lets you see more clearly. Let's zoom out to the whole history here. Now hit log. Doesn't that look better? It makes the curve look more natural. You can kind of see the natural growth of it. But when you don't use logarithmic, it kind of looks like, what the hell? It can get all the way up there? No way it's going all the way up there. But if you put it in logarithmic, oh yeah, okay. Yeah, it's been up in the red zone. 1 time, 2 time. Well, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, almost a 3rd time. 3 time, 4 time. And now we're about to do it again, and that is $137,000 at the in the red zone. And we never had an ETF before. And we never had such a huge list of countries turning it into legal tender before. And that's just one model. Here's another one. See, that's the logarithmic. That's the life of Bitcoin. From 2011, when it first started trading at 1 fucking cent. Believe it or not, 1 fucking cent. It's right here on the chart. Boom. 1 cent. To one day millions of dollars. But that's nice. It's a nice curve. Really nice curve, and you can really see the cycles. This is what happened. First cycle. I did that the wrong way. First cycle. Lasted a year, 308 days. And the return was 315,000% in less than a year. Beautiful. Okay? Now, there goes we didn't touch that high of $29 again for another 2 years. It took 2 years to get back to that all-time high. But that cycle put in 64,000% return. 64,000% returns in 763 days. So you're starting to see a pattern emerge. The cycles are getting longer, and the returns are getting smaller. Let's check the next one. It took a grueling 1,232 days to get back to the all-time high of that cycle of $1,000, essentially. However, once that cycle bottomed out, let's get to the top of that. Diminished returns, 13,861 days. Getting longer again. Getting longer again. And I would say that this cycle bottomed out right here. And this is going to be the longest one yet. And it's going to take us to 100,000 quite easily. It's going to look something like that. Just by eyeing it out. Every cycle's getting longer. And the returns are diminishing. So this would only, actually, it's calling for 34,000% gain. What am I doing here? Am I too high? Yeah, I was too high. Diminishing returns. Remember, it's got to be smaller than the last one. So 100,000 is right here. I should say 114,000. I don't know. That's still, that's only 2,926% gains, down from a 13,000% gains. So 100,000 is near. That's 3,500% gain. And it's going to take 1,246 days instead of 861. So Bitcoin's not the best investment in crypto. Yeah. That's Bitcoin. Let's look at this other rainbow. Let's get rid of this shit. And what does Risk Rainbow say? Calling for, well, it's going to get, you know, if you follow the spread, it kind of goes on a pattern like this. So, oh, but this is the one that shows the diminishing returns. Watch this. You'll notice that the first cycle, we'll zoom all the way in on it. The first cycle made it all the way actually above the red. You see that little wick above the red there on top? It actually wicked up. So it made it above the red. The second one made it above the red a little bit too. The third took longer and only made it 1, 2, 3 levels down. Almost touched the yellow. And then from the yellow, this one, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 layers down for the second one. So, as this grows, we can expect us to hit, 85,000, 90,000, unless adoption from governments and fiat collapse and all sorts of black swan, white swan events make Bitcoin go boom. But I think Ethereum's going to be the one that does that. Ethereum's going to be the one that goes boom. And Ethereum has no halving cycle. Ethereum has no concrete tokenomics. They're up for debate. 2.0 is going to make things deflationary. Ethereum might be one of the best things you could possibly buy right now. And you'll look back on and ask yourself why the fuck you didn't. It really might be. If we want to front run the institutions, like we did with Fantom, our subscribers, we've been talking about Fantom since 20 cents. We front run the institutions, and I think that's what we could do with Ethereum here before 2.0 comes. Don't wait. Don't wait for 2.0. Don't buy Matic. That's a layer 2 solution. That's going to go away when 2.0 is here. Ethereum is super cheap. We use only 1% of the population uses cryptocurrency. You know that? Only 1% of the population. And we just didn't make the all-time high. But we will. Ethereum will pump. That's the week. Go to the hour. Reset the chart. Delete that shit. And natural movement to me. Every time I look back on the coins that I look back on my order books, whenever I'm feeling like I want to sell some crypto, I look at my order books and look at this ETH. Look at this 1 hour candle. It's crazy. Let me put that on the 1 minute. Whenever I'm feeling down, I look at my order books from a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. And I look at the amount that I sold Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Fantom, STX, Blockstack, Dogecoin, what I sold Dogecoin for. If I had never ever sold any of my crypto, I would have life-changing wealth. But we all make the mistake, and you gotta be humble enough to admit it when you make the mistake. And look at Ethereum pumping. Let's put the indicator on. Right there's the arrow, you just can't see it. It's a green arrow, buy arrow. And let's also put support and resistance. We just passed that resistance. Looking good. There's the buy signal right there. Then it dumped. You're probably screaming if you're looking at that. And then you thought, okay, this signal knows what it's talking about. That's a good game. In just a couple minutes. Kaboom. 2.3%. You guys still here? Or are you guys sleeping? It's only like, what, 9 here? I hate my institutional lighting in here, but I need it for the transparent background thing. This is a good thing. When Ethereum's pumping, that's alt season. Shade tree still here. Cool. Were you a subscriber for the original Crypto Lodge, Shade Tree? The one with the one we don't speak of. That was monetized and everything. Were you a subscriber of the original one? With thousands of subscribers at Crypto Lodge? Earlier this year, yes. So you were there when my channel got deleted and I made a new one. Is that what you're saying? You remember my channel with thousands? I'm almost there again. That really sucked, getting that taken away from me like that for no reason. Never even had a strike. Just gone. Same thing happened to BitBoy Crypto. Same thing happened to Pomp. But they have enough followers that they raised enough ruckus that they could get YouTube to listen to them. But my little 2,000 followers, I couldn't make any noise. So I gotta start over. I'm almost at 700. Getting there. YouTube's good money. If you can make a channel that people watch, it's good money. I was only monetized for 28 days before they pulled the plug and terminated me for no reason. No reason. Absolutely none. No explanation. But in that 28 days, just with 2,000 subs, the ad revenue was almost $1,000. 28 days with 2,000 subs, and I was growing fast. So YouTube took down a video you had up for 9 years. Yeah, they took my whole channel and hundreds of videos down. I'm still asking them to bring it back, but they won't even answer me anymore. I even BitBoy Crypto tweeted for me. I have that pinned to my Twitter. It didn't make a difference. I had the biggest crypto YouTuber tweet in my defense at Team YouTube, who handles that thing, and they didn't even look at it. So I just gotta do it over again. And then I don't know how I'm gonna, like, I can't use my name, I don't think. I think I'm banned from monetization for life. But I'm going to keep making videos, man. And I'm launching NFTs. They're going to be awesome. First one's pumpkins. It's going to be 1,000 simple pumpkins. Those are being released like next week on Fantom. They're going to be like 3 Fantom a piece. Real cheap. And Fantom fees are, you know, like 2 cents. So it'll only really cost you like $6 and you get a Jacko Fantom. That's what I'm calling them. It's stupid, but stupid works. So Jacko Fantom, or Jacko Fantom. It's a bunch of pumpkins. Graphics already made. So they'll be on sale like next week for like 3 Fantom a piece, which is like $3. And whatever we don't sell, we're gonna give away. And then I'm launching monsters, which are dope. I don't know if you're in the Telegram group. Are you in the Telegram group? Me and Ken showed the monsters in the Telegram group. These monsters are gonna sell. But the artist came down with the vid right at the end, so it's gonna take a little bit. So we're gonna launch pumpkins right now. Yeah, my OBS just disconnected and reconnected. But it looks like Ethereum's gonna keep pumping tonight. Looks like that was just a dip today. Tonight and tomorrow should be pretty good. Looks like it to me. And anyway, altcoins are doing amazing, especially on Fantom and BSC. Let me check the BSC altcoins, actually. Let me close any Fantom website so it doesn't yell at me. So MetaMask don't yell at me. Let's go to PooCoin. I fucking love PooCoin. No better name for a website than PooCoin. Smart Chain wasn't working earlier. Now it's working. Cool. Eternal. Still going up. Eternal's just on that long road up. You're on the Telegram, Shade Tree? What's your Telegram name? Looks like this is going to drop a little more for a while. There's going to be some more red candles here on Eternal. But we know pops back up. What is Eternal? Pop out the tool. Gotta hit that little green thing here on the blue thing there on PooCoin to get your tools. Date and price range. $3,523% in 45 days in 4 hours. So Eternals was a good buy. That was a good buy. Uniswap. Gamer, GMR. I think that was dumping today. Let me check this out. It must have went up because I only put like $1 in. couple bucks in. I don't know. I must put more in because not doing very well. I think it will though. I looked up the coin. It's cool. Baby Harmony is cool. See that 1? Every 24 hours they give me some Harmony 1 just for holding Baby Harmony. And they give me more Baby Harmony too. Baby Harmony should. I bought it twice here, up there. Bought the dip down here. Should buy it again down here. Baby Harmony has good tokenomics, good team. I made a video on it. T-Share. T-Share's been killing it for me. Look at this. Look at this. Killing it. T-Share's been killing it for me. I'm over on Fantom and on BSC. T-Share's just killing it. Look, these are hourly candles. There's only one red hourly candle in all of them. And it's up 85% in 3 days. Boom. You gotta get with these. And Harmony 1. Harmony 1's on a great uptrend too. It's a good blockchain. Good blockchain. Alright, Brady J, I'll see you on Telegram. I'm gonna unplug my equipment here and go watch some more Lock and Key. It's got me hooked. It's too late for anyone else. No one else is coming to the live stream. I don't know. Thanks for always coming to my live streams, man. That's why you're a moderator. I'll see you in Telegram.